The days of the week in German is very simple and pretty straightforward, and it's also really similar to English. So you can learn these words in like 5 minutes. I want to give you 3 super tips for that and one reality example of how people use these words in their day-to-day life. The week starts with Monday and ends with Sunday. Monday is called as Montag and Sunday is called as Sonntag. So now I'm going to give you a really good tip. All the days of the week in German, except for Wednesday, have the same ending. They all end with the word Tag. Tag means day. You also have this in English, right? You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, everything ends with day. Let's put the word Tag in all the words. So now let's fill the beginning of the words. So Monday is called as Montag, Tuesday is called as Dienstag, Wednesday, I'll come to that later. Thursday is called as Donnerstag, Friday is called as Freitag, Saturday is called as Samstag, and Sunday is called as Sonntag. Now let's go to Wednesday. Wednesday in German is called as Mittwoch. Mittwoch literally means middle of the week. The word mit comes from the word Mitte, which means middle, and the ending Woch comes from the word Woche, which means week. So it's the middle of the working week. Working week in Germany is always from Monday to Friday. Second important information is all these words have a masculine article. Masculine article in German is der. So it is der Montag, der Dienstag, der Mittwoch, and so on. Third important information is all these words have an official abbreviation. The abbreviation is always the first 2 letters of the word. So for Montag, it is MO point. For Dienstag, it is DI point, and so on. People use these short forms for writing and not for speaking. For example, if you go to a supermarket, on the door, the opening times are mentioned. For example, it says geöffnet von MO Point bis FR Point. This means opened from Monday till Friday. So people use the short form of these words to communicate important information. So now let's repeat these words one time so you can really store it in your head. Let's start. Montag, Montag. Dienstag, Dienstag. Mittwoch, Mittwoch. Donnerstag, Donnerstag. Freitag, Freitag. Samstag, Samstag. Sonntag, Sonntag. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. That's it. Good luck.